Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is July 1st, 2019. I have just left home and I'm headed down here to Oneonta, New York to make my first delivery, and then up to New Hartford, New York to make my second delivery. Thanks for joining me. Come along for the ride. Okay guys, we just got empty at the first stop. Getting ready to head up to New Hartford, New York. I just got the word there is no load for Wednesday either, so I've been looking. I've been watching the freight board. There's not much going on right now. Holiday week. I'll have to see what happens. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm gonna actually end up doing. Probably the first good thing that comes along, more than likely. But we'll see. Anyway, we got to get up to New Hartford and make our delivery, and I'll be looking for a load once I get up there. If I don't find anything, I'll probably come back home, I think. Alrighty guys, we have made it in here to New Hartford. Just about here at our delivery. Getting kind of anxious to get on my laptop and start looking for some freight. Yeah, we're at the second stop here in New Hartford, all back in the dock. Had a little trouble getting around the building there. People want to park in the road. Doing a little walk around on the truck here. Yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys. I got these wheel covers. Just kind of sitting there in the wheel and a spring, and then if you got to get in there, the center part is Velcro. You can get to your air valves and stuff. I don't know if I'm going to like those or not, though. So I got, if I ever get stuck, I got emergency chains, and they'll have to come off to get the chains on. We'll see. We'll cross that road when we get stuck in it. Alright, I'm going to get back in the AC here. Got the old APU running, got the air conditioning going. Got to catch up on a little bit of paperwork. Okay guys, I just got off the phone with the agent, and as of right now, it doesn't look good for the rest of the week. Definitely not tomorrow or Wednesday. There's a possibility there could be loads on the 4th of July, which is Thursday, and Friday, but they won't know that until tomorrow. And then they won't know about Friday until on Wednesday. So, nothing much going on the freight board. I may just go home for tomorrow and keep watching the freight board. If something real good does pop up, and you know, something that maybe picks up tomorrow or Wednesday and needs to be run, you know, through the holiday and delivered Friday, that could work. Sometimes those last minute loads that got to get moved over the holiday might pay a little better. We'll see. But I probably will end up just going home for today, because I don't really see anything happening. Not much of anything going on. It's kind of a typical thing for a summertime holiday week kind of time period. You know, 4th of July this year being on a Thursday is, you know, kind of making the week a short week for most people, and a lot of people will probably take their vacation this week coming up, so, or this week now, I mean. Anyway, I'll keep you posted and figure out what we're doing. All right, guys, I am empty here in New Hartford. I've been on the phone for about an hour calling different people, different agents and whatnot. And I do believe I'm going to be starting another dedicated account on Thursday. One I've done before, and it's for a very big customer. Probably really can't say who it's for. And probably not going to be able to do a lot of filming on their property. But we will be going to different places, so be a little different. Let's see, I gotta slide these. I slid the tandems, but they're not locking in yet. Gotta rock the trailer around a little bit, slide it up a little further, let the pins come out through the holes. We'll have to see. We'll have to see how this goes, because it's working on weekends. I don't like working weekends. Alright, back this up just a hair. Go back and check, make sure the pins came out through the holes. All right, as you can see, the pins are both out. Just have to check the other side, make sure it's good. Yep, and that side is good too. I'm kind of hungry. I keep looking at that IHOP over there. Didn't have much in the truck to eat. Yeah, probably when I start this new thing on Thursday. So it'll be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And have Tuesday and Wednesday off. Yeah. I don't know if it'll last too long for me. Hopefully the account I'm running now is going to come back at the end of July. I'm hoping. Yeah, so this new dedicated thing I'm going to do, we're going to be going to a lot different area, so might be a little bit up this way, but going to be a lot more city kind of stuff. We'll see. I need to change the scenery anyway, right? You guys keep seeing the same roads and stuff all the time, so be a little change up. Okay guys, I am going to start heading for home, and I guess I got the next 2 days off, so I have Tuesday, and I'll probably I need to be able to be at the new location at 6 a.m. Thursday morning, so I'll have to leave. I think I'll leave Wednesday night, since it's about I guess about 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours from my house to where I'm going to be starting. So I'll probably have to leave. Yeah, I'll probably leave Wednesday. Darn, I gotta leave Wednesday pretty early, like 5 p.m. Yeah, I don't want to be late. My first day, right? Yeah, you start this first day at 6, so. And your day starts from when you check in with the customer, whether they dispatch you out or not. So I know I've done it in the past. Sometimes you just sit there for a couple hours and then get dispatched. Sometimes you're dispatched right away, and sometimes they don't give you anything and you still get the daily rate for the trucks, which is good. It's boring that way, but if you're not burning any fuel or anything, you're making a lot more money, I guess. It's a daily rate to the truck, and then there's also you get the fuel surcharge, and they pay all the tolls. So, and if you go over a certain amount of miles to where the mileage, let's say a mileage pay would pay you more for the day, then it switches over to mileage. I think it's $2.65 a mile plus fuel surcharge after. So if that gets to be more than what the daily rate is, then you get the higher amount. So it's not bad. I mean, that's all miles. So, and it's dispatch miles. Miles are actual miles. So it's a pretty good deal. It's a pain in the ass because you got to work on the weekend, but you need to work really. I mean, just by looking at the freight board today, and you know, it is a holiday week, but still it doesn't look very good, and what I've been hearing, it isn't very good. So I think that I'll just have to bear with it for a little bit. I hate working weekends. I really do. Alright guys, I better get heading home and kind of enjoy myself a little bit while I got some time off. We'll talk to you in a little while. right, guys, I'm just about home. I'm gonna end the video here. I'll be back again, well, probably on Thursday. Yeah, probably on Thursday. I don't know if I do anything interesting tomorrow, which would be Tuesday. Let's see if I can put a video together. I thought about maybe going down and flying some of my model airplanes tomorrow, but don't know if the weather's going to cooperate. Looks like it's going to be possibly showers and thunderstorms during the day tomorrow. We'll see. I'll determine in the morning whether I'm going to do it or not. If I do, maybe I'll put together a little more video on that. Well, anyway, thank you guys for stopping in and watching the Trucker John show today. I do appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below, give me a like, and subscribe if you like the content. Okay, guys, we will talk to you again soon. Take care now.